Hi friends, my name is Dr.Bharath Chandra. Welcome to today's breaking news video. News number 1, good quarterly results for Wipro. I put a very interesting table, January to March 2020, January to March 2021, what was the total revenue and net profit. January to March 2020, 15,750 crores was the total revenue. Now it is 16,334 crores, 3.7% increase. Net profit 2,343 crores last year. This year, in this quarter, 2,972 crores, 26% increase. So it's a very good performance by the company, especially considering the COVID situation. This is its best quarterly performance in almost 10 years. Wipro share price is around 468 currently, which is at its 52-week high itself. News number 2, Citibank will shut down retail banking in India and 12 other countries. Citibank will close down its retail banking business in India, including credit cards, savings bank account, personal loans, etc. It started retail operations in India in 1985. It will focus on corporate and institutional banking now and will not do anything with respect to retail banking. They are likely to sell their retail business in India to one of the private banks. News number 3, weekend curfew in Delhi. Delhi government has decided to close down malls, gyms, spas, restaurants till April 30th. Restaurants can take orders for home delivery or takeaway but not for sitting and eating. Cinema halls to run at 30% capacity. The weekend curfew will be effective from 10 pm on Friday till 5 am on Monday. However, essential services such as healthcare services will be exempted. News number 4. All protected monuments will be closed till May 15th. The Archaeological Survey of India has announced that all protected monuments and sites will be closed till May 15th due to the rise in COVID cases. Thousands of monuments, including the Taj Mahal in Agra, which normally has around 80,000 visitors a day, will be closed for the public. News number 5. LIC approves 16% salary hike for employees. As per reports, the government has approved a 16% rise in wages and salaries for LIC employees. More than 1 lakh LIC employees are likely to benefit from this hike. Usually, LIC revises salaries once in 5 years, but the last revision happened in 2012 and hence this was overdue. Also, it is expected that LIC employees will get a 5-day work week, that is, Saturday and Sunday will be holiday, only Monday to Friday will be working days. News number 6. Business activity falls in last 2 weeks. As per the Business Activity Index, business in India has fallen during the last 2 weeks due to various lockdowns and restrictions imposed in various states. The current level of business activity was last recorded in 2020 December, and hence the economy has gone slightly backwards in the last few days. The Nifty index is also lagging behind other Asian stock markets such as Singapore, Taiwan and Korea. So this was today's breaking news. If this video was good, please type good in the comment section. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and bell icon. If this video was good, please press the like button and share this video with all your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.